Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's solve a very common yet sometimes confusing issue you might face in C# programming. Imagine you have a sentence and you want to find out if it contains a specific word. However, your search might fail if there's a difference in uppercase or lowercase letters. Let's see this problem in action. Here, I've created a simple C# application. Notice I have the sentence, "Hello, YouTube subscribers," and I'm checking if it contains the word YouTube. When I run this, it surprisingly returns false, even though clearly the word YouTube is present. The issue is that the .contains method in C# is case-sensitive by default. But don't worry, there's a straightforward solution. Instead of .contains, we can use the .IndexOf method combined with StringComparison.OrdinalIgnoreCase. By replacing our check with this, we perform a case-insensitive comparison. Now let's run this again, and you'll see it returns true, as we expected. To make this even better, let's create a reusable solution. I'll show you an easy way to add an extension method to your string type, allowing you to check for substrings ignoring case anywhere in your projects. Here's a simple extension method named Case-Insensitive. After adding this method, your original check becomes simple, readable, and reusable. Run the code again, and you can see the solution is elegant, easy to read, and works flawlessly. Hope you enjoyed learning this quick tip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.